Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about accounting. The topic today that is about notes payable. So now I want to show you how to answer about the first transaction in here. We need to put the same day and the year. So I will put this one code here and the second one. So for the first two transactions, we just borrow about 53,000 and 56,000. So this one we will have about cash, and we have notes payable. And I will use about the name of the location. That's about First National Bank. So this one we have 53,000. And the second one we have cash and we have notes payable. So we use about Lion County State Bank. So we put about 56,000. Now let's go to December 31st, 2022. So in this one, we need to find about the interest rate from July 1st to December 31st. We know that for the first one, we have 9 months, 8% note. So from July to December, we have 6 months. So the interest rate for the First National Bank, that should be about 53,000. We multiply by 8%. However, we just use about year. Now we need to convert into the month. So we have 1/12. So from July to December, that is about 6 months. So we calculate this one, and we have 2,120. So in this one, we will put about interest expense, interest payable. So this is for the First National Bank, and we put about 2,120. So I will put this one for interest of First National Bank. Now we do the same for the second one. So Leon County State Bank. So for this one, from November to December, that is about 2 months. So we have 56,000. We multiply by 6%. We divide by 12. But we have only 2 months. So we multiply by number 2. So this one we have 560. So we put 560 on here. Now, on the next one, we need to pay principal and interest for this one. So we have this one code here. So we need to put about notes payable, interest payable, and cash. So we know that the notes payable of Leon, that is about 56,000. We put this one column here. Now we need to find the interest payable in here. So because this is about 3 months, so from November to February to the next year, that is about 3 months. So we need to use about 56,000. We multiply by 6%. We divide by 12, multiply by number 3 in here. And this one, if we calculate this way, and we have about 840. So we put 840 column here, and this one we have 56,840. Now let's go to the last one. We do the same in here. Now the notes payable of the First National Bank, that is about 53,000. And now we need to find the interest payable. That should be about 53,000. We multiply by 8%. We divide by 12. We multiply by 9 months. And this one we calculate, and we have about 3,180. So we put this number gold here. And now we have the final answer. We sum two numbers together. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.